Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by removing power variables, turn off the beats and forget the pairing on your phone. Next, connect the original USB cable and charge for 30 minutes. Wait for any LED response. Once done, visually inspect the ear cups, hinge, and mesh for lint or damage. Use a soft brush to clear debris. Make sure to note any loose parts. These first steps eliminate battery and simple connection issues so you can focus on real faults. You now perform a deeper reset and software check. Press and hold the power button plus volume down for 10 seconds to force a factory reset. Release when the LED blinks. Then pair with one device, test audio, and immediately try a second source. That tells you if it's source-specific. If an official Beats app or firmware tool exists, check and update firmware. Updates often fix Bluetooth and audio routing bugs. Make sure to keep the headphones charged during updates. You finish with targeted hardware checks and a single troubleshooting tip. Carefully pry the ear cup seam to expose the ribbon cable. Reseat or replace any frayed connection because loose ribbons often cause intermittent sound. Next, test with a 3.5 analog cable. If audio is still absent, the speaker drivers may need replacement. If you hit a wall, contact certified repair or Beats service. One tip: if repairs fail, document tests and serial numbers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.